Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video right now on the phone because for some reason the MacBook is not cooperating properly today. I'm not sure exactly why it is doing that, but right now Bitcoin is actually breaking out quite nicely. Just to showcase to you guys, the Bitcoin price is doing pretty well at $20.1 thousand, and I want to quickly speculate with you guys why. I have a couple of different ideas, and the two ideas mainly revolve around this: the Bitcoin price slash the entire crypto market, XRP, all these other cryptos. Ethereum right now is going up like 5% or so in just a couple minutes just now. It went absolutely crazy. And actually, the entire crypto market is going pretty wild right now. Again, these 24-hour numbers honestly are like like 1.5 hour numbers or so for the most part. You can see Ethereum is up 4% in 1 hour. XRP is not doing that crazy, but Cardano is 6.5% up in 1 hour, 15% on the day. Solana is up 3% in 1 hour, 14% on the day. And generally speaking, the crypto market is going pretty freaking wild right now with a lot of excitement. Now, as I said just now, I personally think that we made a couple of the right calls over on the 5-Minute Crypto channel, but also, and this is very important, guys, I think it has a lot to do with the UK. The UK went for a new prime minister, which is crypto friendly, by the way. But more importantly, they just let go a new rule, and I actually posted it over on Twitter, where they're going to basically be pretty positive on crypto from here on forward. I'm just opening up my Twitter real quick so you guys all can see. If you're not following me over on Twitter just quite yet, I recommend you guys to do so. Hey, you can see my fingers right there. But take a look at this right over on here. UK lawmakers vote to recognize crypto as regulated financial instruments. Happened about an hour ago, and funny enough, about an hour ago, the crypto market all of a sudden started to explode. But I should add, as I said, it is not only the, let me quickly put the microphone on the side here, not most likely only the announcement, because we were covering earlier on 5-Minute Crypto that we had ourselves a breakout candle about a day and a half ago. After that, we had a juicy little retest before right now the major candle came. Again, guys, I recommend you all to check out 5-Minute Crypto. We've been waiting for a breakout of sorts like this to happen. We covered the falling wedge before, where we also had a breakout. We unfortunately did not get it confirmed, but again, we still actually, after a very juicy retest, which you guys can hopefully see right there. This iPhone keeps switching cameras, but c'est la vie. You can see our breakout little retest before breaking out yet again. And again, this is kind of a pattern that we don't like to trade because you don't get the confirmation. And if you don't get the confirmation, you're basically nearly gambling. Not exactly, but it comes close to it. We also covered on 5-Minute Crypto how the Bollinger Bands right now are extremely low. And actually, in that sense, I mean extremely shallow. And the height, or I should say the width, is extremely low. And whenever you get a width this low, usually that means a lot of crazy volatility is coming up pretty shortly. We've not seen this since, I guess, officially 2018 right here. Over then, we also had a pretty severe move towards the downside right after the Bollinger Bands hit such a major shallow point, or such a major convergence, I guess. But basically, like I covered earlier, on every single chart, we've had a similar sort of breakout over the last couple of days. You can see it right there. We had ourselves this crazy breakout, little retest before the breakout continued. Again, there's two main scenarios we are prepared for. We actually have this post-midterm election situation that we are prepared for, that we do still think can happen. Not sure why this is all hovering around. There we go. This is basically where 2018 repeats itself in 2022. However, as we've also described before, in 2018, the situation was a lot more bearish than it is looking right now. So it is unlikely this is going to continue. And we also, of course, have the fact that, well, this is interesting to me, October is usually the most bullish month, right? We covered before how in October, 7 out of 9 times we hit this. It's been bullish. And usually it goes up about 25%. This time around, again, we have no results just quite yet, but things were looking bearish. It might just still switch around purely because this is one of the most bullish months. And next month is usually also pretty bullish, even though there's a crazy outlier, which makes this a little bit more unlikely that November is going to be even more bullish than October, because just looking at the numbers right here, this number, 53%, is obviously a little bit biased, as well, we have a 400% outlier that plays a little bit of a role in that. So I don't consider it too highly. And then again, you should consider this as well. October then had a lot of, we all had a lot of faith in October to kind of turn it around and go crazy again, but it didn't. I also described on our channel that we're looking for two major zones. Again, the bottom, or the top and the bottom, other way around. You guys know what I mean. And we basically had a convergence right here on the chart where we had lower tops consecutively for weeks and higher bottoms, even though this is debatable as it only happened over the last 2 weeks, let's say, or so. You can see here from about October, it started to basically make higher bottoms. However, we can still, I guess, all agree that it's had a pretty similar, pretty stale bottom right here at about $18.4 thousand, albeit that the tops, I don't think anybody can tell me that these were stable tops. And this is the first time in a very long while that we've actually broken this down to with some significance. You can see it right there. This is the first time in a little while. And this is actually a retest of the prices that we saw at the beginning of this month, October 4th. It's been 20 days since we saw price action like this and price action above $20,000 for Bitcoin. But as I described before, be careful with the crazy fake out. We've had no volatility for the longest amount of time. It's been ranging since, well, a month and a half or so. So there's a good chance that we see a crazy breakout, right now, a retest of this zone, potentially even a breakout further. Then potentially a retest of the resistance turn support, and potentially continue to go crazy. Go up and explore the skies. Go absolutely wild. Woo, yeah, it's possible. But you got to keep in mind as well that we can indeed also see a crazy, what is it, my finger? I don't know. That we can see a crazy fake out after we, again, get ourselves continued on with this breakout potentially, or maybe even already here in this zone. But continue on with the breakout potentially, retest, and then actually break through, and potentially even break through this major support level, because all these longs right now, people are getting overzealous. People are going crazy thinking, wow, this is the major move. I'm opening up $70,000 worth of long positions, going crazy. And that's exactly where they want to have you, where you're overconfident, FOMOing in, going crazy, so they can wreck you and you lose your money. Right now, a lot of short people that, not people that are short. Again, I'm pretty tall, by the way. And if you guys know how to speculate in the comment section down below how tall you think I am. It's kind of funny. People might think I'm a midget, but I'm actually pretty tall. A little fun fact. However, I digress. A lot of shorts right now, they're just, they're dying out here, right? And you got to understand, that's what they want to happen. They want to make sure that all these people start buying Bitcoin. They have to obviously, how do you say it? Like level out their shorts, or just because of FOMO. And the moment that people are at a level where they think, oh yeah, this is going to go on forever, they crash it, they dump it, then they go absolutely wild. That's a possibility, and you should keep this in the back of your head. I should also tell you guys, again, hey, look at this, hey, look at that boy over there. Woo. Hey, go check out BitGet. You can trade with this on every single country in the world as of this point, I believe. If you sign up, you get $10. If you make a deposit, you get $20 in XRP. I keep telling you guys about checking out these bonuses because think about it. If you get $8,000 worth of bonuses and you use that with leverage potentially, which again, do your own research, check it out for yourself slowly. But if that is just sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars that people can have for free, and that's something that I just want everybody to realize. Now, just gonna quickly, just to kind of get excited here, show you guys the view here from my little place in Dubai for right now. It's a pretty nice place, in my own opinion. And yeah, I don't think you guys can hear me too properly anymore if I'm outside, because there might be a lot of little random noises. So we'll go back to this little computer-y desk. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about the trades that we are about to make. I've told you guys as well, if we get the confirmation towards the upside, we can actually get ourselves a juicy amount of profit, because I honestly think that the moment that we do get a breakout, we're gonna potentially go all the way towards 25,000 with our profit targets actually being these Fibonacci levels right here. And if we do see a fake out, which again would probably happen before we get any major confirmations, we'll most likely see a significant drop, potentially all the way towards $14,000, which actually coincides with this specific prediction as well, where they predicted that in 2022 we could see a breakdown because of the post midterm election dump all the way towards $12,000 even. I don't think that's going to happen, but $14,000 in that sense is potentially possible. Keep it in the back of your head, but mostly for right now, get excited because things might finally be good again, depending on whether or not we continue this pump. We have to wait it out a little bit. We need a little bit more confirmation, but then I'm getting excited again. And I guess this is finally some volatility after 20 plus days. That on its own is pretty exciting because this means people are getting alive again and people are getting weary. So that means, well, the more volatility usually. And I guess we will see about that shortly. But yeah, let me know guys down below what you think caused it. So again, the two main reasons to kind of summarize it again, we could have had the major, no, I could say the minor amount of volatility before causing right now any movement in price for people to get ecstatic over and go absolutely wild in terms of trying to trade it, trying to buy it, trying to go crazy, aping. The UK all of a sudden turning really, really bullish on crypto. It's too coincidental that just right around the announcement, crypto starts pumping like crazy, just when the UK starts to get rather bullish on crypto. I'm gonna type it in UK crypto, just to make sure that I get the actual article to you guys here in the video real quick as well. So there's now at this point, it's already 3 hours ago that the official news came out. UK lawmakers vote to recognize crypto as, or basically here, lawmakers in the UK voted in favor of recognizing crypto assets as regulated financial instruments and products in the country on Tuesday. Again, about 3 hours ago. Makes for me a whole lot of sense if that was exactly what caused this pump. And otherwise, I would say it's just, we had a little bit of a breakout a couple days ago. We had a little retest, and then it was a bounce back up. That's just plain and very simple. So bias towards the upside, as I said in my 5-minute crypto video. If you don't know what that is, just go to YouTube and type in 5-minute crypto, or check out the link down below for it. Yeah, I don't have it open right now, but I guess I could quickly show you guys. 5-minute crypto is just my secondary crypto channel where I only talk about crypto trades. It looks like this. There's only just trades on there, nothing really much else. And yeah, it's roughly about 5 minutes. This one was longer because I messed up, but the rest is usually about 5 minutes long, and you guys might want to check it out. That was it for right now, guys. See you later in another crypto video, and make sure you press the like button. Yeah.